Installing quality BMW M2 wheel spacers can make the ride quality better by widening the track. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application, even if you don't change the stock wheels and tires. The more track width, the better the handling of curves and swerving, and the better the rollover resistance. With quality BMW M2 wheel spacers, you'll experience more comfortable driving. Installing hub-centric wheel spacers offers several advantages. A hub-centric spacer is designed with a step that provides a more precise alignment between the spacer and the hub assembly. This precise alignment ensures a tight and secure connection, reducing the failure of spacers caused by inaccurate installation. Good quality BMW M2 wheel spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!